Affiliate marketing, how to start with Facebook. Dive into the lucrative world of affiliate marketing, a place where strategic partnerships can transform your income potential overnight. Navigating affiliate marketing, initial steps and implementation. These are common queries for newcomers entering this realm. Watch this video through its entirety. We are confident that you will be well prepared to kickstart your online affiliate marketing venture using Facebook at the end of this video. To grasp the intricacies of affiliate marketing, it's essential to familiarize yourself with 3 key tools integral to the affiliate business: Facebook pages or groups, affiliate platforms like ClickBank and Amazon, and an artificial intelligence (AI) tool such as ChatGPT for crafting marketing content. Also, it is necessary to understand the common terminology in the realm of affiliate marketing. Affiliate, an individual or entity that promotes products or services of another company, merchant, and earns a commission for referred sales or actions. Niche, a specific market or industry segment. Affiliates often focus on a niche to target a particular audience with relevant products or services. For example, health and wellness, dental hygiene, e-commerce, etc. Landing page, the web page a user lands on after clicking an affiliate link. It is designed to encourage a specific action, such as making a purchase. Conversion rate, the percentage of visitors who take the desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. It is calculated by dividing the number of conversions by the number of clicks. Begin by establishing your Facebook page. Facebook pages can be tailored to various niches, but in this instance, you're crafting a page specifically to endorse affiliate products. If your focus is on promoting health and wellness products, it is recommended to initiate a Facebook page dedicated to health and wellness. The next step involves registering with ClickBank, a popular marketplace for digital product affiliates. This platform connects you to various product creators seeking promotion. Maximize your marketing efforts by using an AI tool like ChatGPT, known for its ability to produce highly engaging and compelling content. With the necessary tools in place, it's time to strategize and create compelling content that will drive traffic and generate sales effectively. To maximize your affiliate marketing success, focus on creating engaging, tailored content that truly resonates with your target audience. Please note that in the realm of affiliate marketing, it's worth noting that ClickBank extends the freedom for its affiliates to utilize Facebook pages as a channel for promoting their products. On the contrary, Amazon follows a more restrictive approach, prohibiting its affiliates from showcasing Amazon products directly on Facebook pages. Instead, Amazon's affiliate program permits the use of Facebook advertisements exclusively for promotional activities. It's essential to stay updated on the policies of these platforms, as they may change over time. Okay, let us dive into how to create a Facebook page to promote your affiliate endeavors. Creating a Facebook page or group is simple. If you ask why we need a Facebook page to promote your affiliate marketing, the answer is simple. Facebook stands as the world's largest social media platform, boasting nearly 3 billion active users. With billions of individuals frequenting the site daily, a fundamental tenet of digital marketing underscores the imperative to connect with your target audience wherever they choose to engage. Also, Facebook allows affiliate marketing promotions and advertisements on Facebook pages or groups only, not in the personal Facebook accounts. Therefore, it becomes necessary to create Facebook pages to promote your affiliate program. The strength of Facebook lies in providing a pre-existing audience that affiliate marketers can access. In theory, an affiliate business should harness Facebook's extensive reach to effortlessly generate online income by sharing affiliate links. However, if the process were as simple as it sounds, every affiliate marketing business would be consistently achieving substantial profits through Facebook each month. While Facebook provides an existing audience, successful affiliate marketing requires strategic planning, engaging content, and consistent effort to yield substantial profits. In the realm of Facebook affiliate marketing, An affiliate marketer shares designated links on their website or social media platforms. When a user clicks on the link, they are directed to an online retailer, and if a successful conversion occurs, the initial business compensates the marketer through commission rates. In essence, Facebook affiliate marketing involves utilizing affiliate links on the platform to endorse products and redirect users to make purchases elsewhere. This strategy extends beyond Facebook alone. It encompasses social media in its entirety, aiming to target a specific audience from the vast pool of daily users. To excel in affiliate marketing on Facebook, the key lies in cultivating a community on Facebook pages or within Facebook groups that share an interest in the products you intend to promote. This approach helps create a focused audience tailored to your niche, enhancing the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. To locate a responsive audience on Facebook, it's crucial to avoid utilizing your personal profile for sharing posts with affiliate links. Refrain from becoming the kind of Facebook friend whose connections might choose to unfriend due to excessive promotions. Moreover, it's essential to market products to a targeted audience, beyond just your diverse circle of friends and family. Instead, consider establishing a dedicated Facebook page or group for your affiliate marketing endeavors. Facebook pages and Facebook groups present distinct approaches to utilizing Facebook for affiliate marketing. A Facebook page serves as a centralized hub where you have comprehensive control, functioning akin to a dedicated business space on Facebook. It provides a platform to share various content, including informative blog posts, audience surveys, business-related images, videos, and the promotion of affiliate links. Developing a Facebook page organically presents challenges due to its minimal organic reach. To foster growth for your affiliate business through a Facebook page, implementing a comprehensive online marketing strategy is essential. It's important to note that relying solely on organic traffic can be demanding. Typically, you may need to turn to Facebook advertisements to effectively promote your affiliate links. We'll delve into this aspect further. Conversely, a Facebook group represents a community where control is more decentralized. Members have the ability to post and comment, necessitating your active moderation of these interactions. While a Facebook group has the potential to experience organic, exponential growth, this can introduce its own set of challenges and considerations. Establishing a page or group is a straightforward process. To initiate a page, navigate to Pages on your Facebook profile homepage. Click Create New Page, provide a name for your page, then select the category, enter a description. Use ChatGPT to get the description of the Facebook page. Upon the creation of your Facebook page or group, you've laid the groundwork to promote your products or services on the platform. Yet, achieving success as an affiliate on Facebook necessitates the establishment of a substantial audience. Whether you choose a page, a group, or both, it's crucial to cultivate an audience before reaping profits from your affiliate marketing efforts. Without visibility for your Facebook posts, the affiliate link on your group page won't generate income. So how do you ensure that the content you share on Facebook gets noticed? Depending solely on friends, family, and word-of-mouth referrals won't suffice. As mentioned earlier, leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT to craft engaging content for your Facebook posts. Consistently publish a selection of original posts on your Facebook pages daily. Employ ChatGPT to facilitate the creation of compelling content for your posts, ensuring a consistent and engaging online presence. As mentioned earlier, attaining organic traffic on Facebook can be a bit challenging due to their preference for a paid advertising model to enhance engagement. However, this doesn't mean there aren't effective strategies to increase organic traffic. It's essential to recognize that ads can be off-putting to Facebook users. Since users are human, much like you and me, we understand that advertisements can be bothersome. Therefore, when planning your content calendars, it's beneficial to adhere to the 80-20 rule. 80% of your content should be geared towards entertaining or educating users, providing genuinely useful, shareable content. Reserve 20% for promoting affiliate links. By adopting this approach, you can elevate engagement by cultivating a relationship with the Facebook community. This helps establish your reputation as a trusted source and an authority within your niche. Instead of appearing as just another business on Facebook, aiming to push promotional content, you position yourself as a solution provider. Another frequently employed strategy for expanding reach through social networking involves joining other groups pertinent to your niche. This method allows you to leverage the popularity of another group effectively. Utilize Facebook search options to locate groups relevant to your niche. Once you become a part of a group, it's crucial to exercise patience and focus on providing value. Refrain from spamming newly joined groups, as administrators are likely to remove such members. Instead, contribute relevant information to the group. After establishing trust, gradually incorporate links to your website or blog. However, it's important to note that these efforts may have limitations. A thriving affiliate Facebook marketing venture may ultimately need to rely on the advertising tools offered by Facebook. To target your ads effectively, Facebook requires payment as it operates on a pay-to-play model, inherently discouraging reliance on organic traffic. Consequently, it's essential to familiarize yourself with Facebook's ad manager for successful ad campaigns. Facebook provides a sophisticated ad tool, enabling the creation of highly targeted advertisements. This platform allows you to refine your ad focus, honing in on demographics like age, gender, location, and various interests. The likelihood of obtaining a return on investment, ROI, from your Facebook ads increases when you include comprehensive details about the demographic you intend to reach. However, it's important to note that Facebook ads can only be used to promote engagement, grow your audience, or direct traffic to a blog post containing affiliate links. Direct promotion of related products through a Facebook ad is strictly prohibited and can result in a ban. Given that these ads involve costs, a well-executed affiliate marketing program on Facebook must carefully consider these expenses. Opt for affiliate partners offering a sufficiently high commission rate to offset advertising costs. This decision involves a delicate balancing act, and several options warrant consideration. When affiliate marketers seek partnerships through Facebook, navigating through various regulations is a necessity. Let's explore the complexities associated with two prominent affiliate programs, ClickBank and Amazon. ClickBank presents a more enticing potential commission of up to 75%, making it a more lucrative option than Amazon. Similar to Amazon, the only sanctioned method for utilizing ClickBank with Facebook is to promote a blog post or landing page through a Facebook ad. To comply with policies, incorporate your ClickBank affiliate links on the external page you own. The end of this video. If you have any questions on how to start your affiliate marketing through Facebook, please make it in the comment sections and we will reply within 24 hours. If you like this video, press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and write a comment on this video.